Hello, this is Marisol, and in today's video I am showing you my foundation pages, quotes, for my Week in the Life 2018 album. This is my second year participating with this project, and one thing that I learned from last year's album was that I needed to set up my album ahead of time. And I worked on this a little bit this week, and I'm really happy with the format that I have set up for myself, and I think that it will definitely set me up for success in completing the album. I do still have to finish my album from last year, but I'm okay with moving on and starting this one and then working on the other one as I go along. So what I did was I counted up the page protectors and looked at the product and pulled it all together to come up with this format. First off, you'll see that I have the cork numbers here, and I used one of the rubber embellishments that says "Life looks like this right now." These aren't adhered permanently yet because I haven't decided if I want to color them or not. We'll see. So they're just there temporarily. I really like the way that looks. I'm starting with a 6x8 photograph, which will most likely be a family picture. And on the back side of the 6x8, I have included the day of the week transparency. And I'll include one of my favorite photos from that day, which obviously is Monday, right? And then, oh, I see this one's not the right card, but what I decided to do for my journaling is I decided that I would add this 4x6 card for every day of the week outside of the page protector. So I will document a story from the morning, midday, and then the evening. I will either add a photo on the back or I will continue with the journaling, depending on how much I have left to tell. Then I have a 2-up page protector, 2 4x6s. I'll most likely add 2 photos, may or may not just add 1 photo and then a journaling card. Then I've added the notepad or memo pad with the times. I don't know if I'm going to keep this in here because it's very thin paper and it's perforated, but for right now I think it's in a good place. Then we move on to the 4 3x4 pockets, and I've included the day of the week 3x4, and then I'll have the back side. And then I have these 3x8 page protectors with the day of the week for every day. I will most likely journal and then maybe add a picture in the back. So here, this is the Monday one. I better change that now before I forget. Okay, so then this is a 6x8, and I will be adding a full 6x8 photo of Monday, from Monday. And then here I have Tuesday. So I'm following exactly the same format for all of the days of the week, and I'm really happy with the way that it came out. I really do believe that this will help me stay on track and complete the album. So I'm not going to go through every single one because they're pretty much the same thing. But what I will say is that this format will give me 13 to 14 pockets for pictures, so including the 6x8s. So I think that's a good amount for every day. Certainly if I end up with more, I can add them either right into the album like this, or add another page protector. I'm not going to be that rigid with my format. I can be flexible. So let's see, what else do I want to let you guys know? Oh, I did want to show you the last page of the album. It is a 6x8 2x2 pocket page protector. And what I plan to do is, as of right now anyways, I'm going to trim this down and then I'm going to include it in the album, so it'll be 2 separate pieces. And then I will add pictures of the different foods that we ate that week and the different shows that we watched, and I'll do it on both sides. I think that'll be a nice touch, a nice summary of the week. And then this one will be all the places that we go. And I don't know if I will trim this down or not. I think it will depend on how many places we go that week. And then this will be my closing page. I do plan on coloring the wood veneers. I'll either paint them with acrylic paint or color them with my Copic markers. I'm not sure yet. I may also just use ink and blend in the ink. We'll see. Alright, what else do I want to let you guys know? I'm just looking at my notes. So I've set my alarm on my phone to take pictures every hour. And I plan on asking some of my family members to send me some pics from their day. Like my husband and my older kids. And let's see, I think that's it. I really worked quickly on this. I didn't take too much time to create this formula, but I did put some thought into it, and I'm really happy with the way that it came out. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will be more than happy to answer them for you. I will be sharing my 2017 when it's completed. I'm not sure when I'll get it completed. I've been working on it little by little for the past couple weeks, and I hope to get it done sooner rather than later. So thank you for joining me, and let me know if you are participating in the Week of the Life. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the description, in the box below, and I will answer your questions. Take care, and thanks for spending some time with me today. Bye-bye.